Hello everyone, welcome to Lion. I am Shyam Manthana, an advocate practicing in the state of Telangana and Karnataka.
Today we will discuss an important topic, suspicious acts of spouse. Next steps. Many people face situations where they begin to suspect their partner's behavior, whether it is about dishonesty in relationship, the infidelity, or financial misconduct. Now it is time for you to know what are the next steps that you should consider in such situations. First, let's understand the word suspicion. Suspicion is not a proof in legal terms. For anything to do from a legal perspective, you need a perfect evidence which you can present to the court of law to get any direction. Therefore, whenever you think you are in such situation that your spouse is not honest in your relationship, then what you should do is make sure the suspicious behavior is indeed true. Suspicious behavior includes secretive behavior or an unusual financial activity or unexplained absence from the place where they are supposed to be. So in such situations, in order to make sure that you would succeed, it is very important to remember that suspicion alone is not enough to win your case or to get the necessary direction from the court of law. Therefore, your first step should be collecting evidence. If you are dealing with a suspicious spouse, the very first step is to document the behavior that concerns you. For example, you should start documenting or you should keep the records of unusual financial transactions or withdrawals or the spending. Save screenshots of text messages, WhatsApp messages, call logs, or any other such electronic messages through which you get the knowledge of such suspicious behavior. If necessary, you should install legally acceptable surveillance such as CCTV cameras at home if necessary. However, be careful to stay within the limits of law. Activities like hacking into your spouse's private accounts or installing tracking devices without their consent may backfire on you. Instead, consult a professional who will be able to guide you on what makes a perfect evidence and what do not. Once you have gathered enough evidence, the next is take appropriate legal advice. A qualified advocate can help you understand the legal options available to you in your case. Depending upon your situations, you may consider either filing for divorce under the grounds such as under cruelty or adultery, or you can consider filing for maintenance or alimony if you are financially dependent on your spouse, or you can file a domestic violence case if there is an evidence of emotional or physical or sexual or financial or any other kind of abuse that you get subjected to, or file a civil or criminal cases if the scenario involves financial fraud or forgery by the spouse. Remember, a legal consultation is crucial to decide on the best course of action without damaging your position at court of law. Once you have consulted a lawyer, he may advise filing for necessary relief which is appropriate in your case. To conclude, Dealing with a suspicious spouse is emotionally and legally challenging thing, but law is here to protect you. Always rely on evidence. Seek professional advice and understand your legal position, and make sure you do not damage it. If you have questions and need further guidance, feel free to comment below or reach out to me directly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to your Lion channel for more insights on legal matters. Thank you for watching. Take care.